When it comes to power tools, particularly hammer drills, Bosch and Hilti are two names that frequently come up in discussions. Both brands offer exceptional quality, durability, and performance, making it difficult for buyers to choose between them. So, if you're looking to invest in a hammer drill, whether for professional use or home improvement projects, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll be comparing the Bosch and Hilti hammer drills across various categories to help you make an informed decision. Performance and power. The first category to consider when comparing hammer drills is performance. Bosch hammer drills are known for their reliability and high power output. With models like the Bosch GBH2 28-liter, you can expect excellent drilling and chiseling abilities, powered by an efficient motor that handles tough materials with ease. Bosch drills are equipped with multiple speed settings and an SDS-Plus chuck system, which allows for both rotary hammer and drilling functions. On the other hand, Hilti hammer drills are designed for heavy-duty tasks and are often preferred by professionals in construction and demolition. The Hilti T6A36, for instance, offers superior power and torque, making it suitable for even the most demanding applications. Hilti drills come with advanced technology that minimizes vibration, making them more comfortable to use during prolonged sessions.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Build quality and durability. Bosch is known for manufacturing tools with strong, high-quality components that last for years. Their hammer drills are built to endure harsh environments and are designed for both contractors and DIY enthusiasts. Bosch's robust design ensures that their drills withstand wear and tear, especially when used in high-stress jobs like masonry and concrete drilling. Hilti, however, is renowned for its ultra-durable power tools that are almost indestructible under extreme working conditions. Hilti's drills feature high-grade materials that provide exceptional longevity, and they're built with rugged construction that can handle continuous use. When you're working with Hilti, you're investing in a tool that's built for professionals who require maximum reliability, ease of use, and comfort. In terms of ergonomics, Bosch hammer drills are user-friendly, with an emphasis on comfort and ease of use. Their designs are lightweight, and the handles are made to reduce strain on the user, especially during long work sessions. The anti-vibration technology helps reduce fatigue, making them suitable for both novice and experienced users alike. Hilti's hammer drills, while slightly heavier, are designed with precision and comfort in mind. The handles are designed for a secure grip, and the vibration dampening systems are more advanced. Although Hilti drills are built for professionals, they still prioritize comfort, ensuring that users can work for extended periods without experiencing discomfort or strain. Versatility and features. Both Bosch and Hilti offer a range of features designed to enhance the versatility of their hammer drills. Bosch's drills come with variable speed control, multiple modes, and a variety of attachments that make them suitable for different tasks, from simple drilling to heavy-duty masonry work. Hilti, however, offers even more advanced features, such as active torque control and intelligent sensors that adjust the power delivery based on the material being drilled. These features make Hilti hammer drills ideal for professionals who need to tackle a wide variety of tasks with precision and ease. Outro. In conclusion, both Bosch and Hilti hammer drills have their distinct advantages. While Bosch offers fantastic value and reliability for everyday tasks, Hilti is the go-to brand for professionals demanding top-tier performance. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a contractor, investing in the right tool can make all the difference in your projects.